Hi there. If you've ever stared at a blank screen, wondering how to create a lead magnet quickly, but couldn't decide on the right topic, this video is your answer today. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple process to end topic paralysis and get a lead magnet idea that actually works without overthinking or wasting weeks second guessing yourself. Stick around because the biggest mistake people make is wasting weeks on random ideas when the answer is often right under their nose. And this isn't something I just made up. This strategy is backed by research. According to the Focus Digital 2025 report, businesses that use clear problem solving messaging in their lead magnets see 15 to 25% higher conversion rates than industry averages. To put that into context, while most industries convert 7 to 12% of visitors into leads, problem focused lead magnets consistently exceed that mark. And when those opt ins are paired with systematic follow up, lead to sale conversion rates jump 25 to 35% above industry benchmarks. The pattern is undeniable. When your topic solves a specific problem, everything in your funnel just works better. Why? Clarity comes first. Because it makes everything else easier. Inside our AFTO client attraction system, we don't pull random ideas out of thin air, but we anchor everything to what I call a magnetic offer blueprint. This clear plan defines your premium offer and your core marketing message. With that in place, choosing a lead magnet topic stops being guesswork. You simply pull one small, high value piece from the blueprint. That clear starting point eliminates overwhelm, produces ideas that connect back to your offer, and sets the stage for every other step in your funnel. That's why clarity isn't just step number one, it's the foundation of the whole system. And in a moment, I'll actually show you exactly how this fits into the bigger picture. So, why do most entrepreneurs get stuck? Why do they fail to pick the right lead magnet idea? There are three big reasons. Number one, brainstorm paralysis. They start from a blank page instead of leveraging their expertise. Then, number two, it's too big or too broad. They try to teach the entire program in one freebie, which then, of course, overwhelms the prospect. Then, number three, no clear quick win. The topic doesn't give immediate or tangible results, so there's no motivation to download or to take any action. But I've got good news. We have a three-step fix to cut through all this noise. So let's take a look. Step number one, structure your offer so it's a clear roadmap. This is the foundation for everything, and without it, every idea just feels random. Step number two, from that structured core offering, pick one small piece that naturally connects to your main offer. This ensures your freebie isn't just random, it acts as a bridge that leads people into the next step with you. Step number three. Now, refine that chosen piece so it delivers an immediate and measurable result. In minutes or days, your audience see real value, and that quick win builds trust and creates desire for your main offer. Let's have a look at some examples of these quick wins. Example number one. A career coach could share a 30-minute career clarity worksheet to help people pinpoint their ideal next role. A fitness coach could give a 7-day sugar detox meal plan. These small focus wins prove value quickly and prepare clients for bigger transformations. Alright, so now let me show you the bigger picture. Here's the AFTA Client Attraction System roadmap. It's a simple free phase system built to help you position your offer, automate your lead flow, and then scale with confidence. Right now, we zoomed into phase one, position, and specifically step two, the Swift Lead Magnet launcher. Step two starts with choosing the right topic, but it doesn't stop there. It's about shaping your idea into a lead magnet that you can quickly launch within an hour to start attracting your ideal clients. But here's the key. If step one, your magnetic offer blueprint, isn't in place, the whole system falls apart. That blueprint gives you the clarity you need so your lead magnet connects directly back to your core offer. That's why this roadmap begins with clarity, because without it, position, automate, and scale won't deliver the results they should. Clarity anchors the whole client attraction process. Let's take a quick pause now. Tell me in the comments below, what quick win could you give your audience today? Don't overthink it, just one real result they thank you for. I'll check and give you some feedback. So, if you've been struggling how to create a lead magnet quickly, I hope this video gave you the clarity to move forward with confidence. If you did, a quick tap on that like button would really mean a great deal. In the next video, I'll show you how to package your lead magnet into the right format so it not only gets downloaded but also sets the stage for the next steps with you. Make sure to hit the subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss it. In the meantime, grab your free Swift Lead Magnet 3-step formula using the link in the description of this video. It includes today's step plus a handy cheat sheet you can use right away. And for live support, I'd like to invite you to come and join us in our free school community where we actually brainstorm lead magnets and funnels together. I hope to see you inside. Until the next one, bye bye.